Some cars are more than machines. They're pieces of automotive history. The Porsche 964 is one of those rare icons, a timeless blend of engineering, performance, and unmistakable design that continues to inspire enthusiasts decades after it first hit the road. But time leaves its mark on even the greatest legends. Years of wear, rust, and neglect had taken a toll on this classic Porsche. Its beauty had faded, its condition had deteriorated, and the machine that once represented driving perfection was in desperate need of a second chance. That's where this journey begins. We're taking this forgotten 964 through a complete revival, from rust repair and bodywork restoration to custom upgrades and meticulous detailing. The goal isn't simply to restore a classic Porsche. It's to honor its heritage while creating something truly special. Let's bring this legend back to life. What you're looking at now is more than a restoration. It's the revival of an icon. This Porsche 964 has been transformed from a tired, neglected classic into a machine that captures everything enthusiasts love about air-cooled Porsche engineering. Every repair, every upgrade, and every detail has helped restore the character that made this car legendary, while adding a touch of modern refinement. The rust is gone. The body shines once again, and the timeless spirit of the 964 is stronger than ever. This wasn't just about rebuilding a car. It was about preserving a piece of automotive history and ensuring that this classic Porsche continues to turn heads for years to come. From forgotten to unforgettable. This Porsche 964 isn't just restored, it's reborn.